So how'd you get to be so down?
Hello y'all, this is Stu Richland from 420lawoffice.com here on the YouTube channel and here at the website. Happy to have been representing over 300 collectives in the last 7 or so years of my 27 years as an attorney. Wow, has it been that long? Well, anyway, the point of this video is not all about that. The point of this video is about Proposition D. Now, those of you that have been following along know that my law firm has been involved now in the challenging the City of Los Angeles's attempts to legislate this area since about 2007. The first lawsuit in 2009, the hearings before then, the hearings, the registrations, the hardships, all of the different hoops that the different clients have had to jump through. I've been honored to be representing them. And then, of course, in 2009, we had that horrible ordinance, which we got a partial preliminary injunction against, which wound up buying a lot of time for the medical marijuana patients here in the city. By the time of the 2010 ordinance, there was enough of a public outcry that your own plebiscite took that one off the books. It was so poorly thought out that it actually was invalidated by your votes. And now we have this Proposition D, which was a referendum. That means it was referred by the City Council. It was not truly a proposition proposed by the people. So since it was a referendum, the City Attorney and the City Council have to go through certain steps. It turns out they didn't. I can't wait to have a judge finally make a decision that Proposition D is invalid. It is constitutionally and legally invalid in my opinion. There's just no doubt now. We have the smoking guns. I hope you come to court. Have you been to the court at 600 South Commonwealth? It's fantastic. It's just a little bit west of downtown courthouses on 6th and Commonwealth, 600 South Commonwealth. I'll be in Department of 322, Judge Edmonds, that's 322, and it's going to be at 11 o'clock on February the 7th. February the 7th, 11 o'clock, Department 322. I hope you're there because we plan to make history again. We plan to show the judge without a doubt in our motion, and there really can be no doubt, this is a matter of evidence, it's a matter of paperwork, that the City of Los Angeles Proposition D is invalid. It was therefore void ab initio, void from the moment it was initiated. It's as if it never happened. And what that means is that California law shall govern in the City of Los Angeles, and this arbitrary restriction in terms of number and place is going to fall by the wayside. And they just haven't done it yet on medical marijuana. It really requires the reinitiation of a committee, which will include public members and patients, doctors, lawyers, landlords, and collective managers, all of whom could work together to make a fair ordinance that isn't designed to favor one particular group over the others. And we have the case law that shows you can't just favor pre-existing businesses, etc. Everyone has to be treated equally. That's what our Constitution says. No one gets special privileges and immunities. Everyone must be treated equally. That means every collective must be treated equally. So I'm very happy to be presenting these arguments in the City of Los Angeles case, and we of course have presented arguments in many other counties and cities, constantly working with the ever-changing landscape of cases which exist in this area. Of course, the Riverside case that you might be thinking of says that cities might have the right to ban, but City of Los Angeles didn't choose to ban, they chose to regulate, and doing so they must do so constitutionally. So it's going to be an interesting discussion. I look forward to your participation in terms of patient turnout. I'd love to have you show, because although you will not be asked to participate other than to sit quietly in court, your physical presence means a lot in the case. With reference to the general nature of our business here and my practice, as you know from the other material here on the site, I offer a $500 consultation as well as a $1,000 upsell, which are the materials that patients have used to create their own nonprofit co-op and collective. So check out 420 Law Office for those details. Thanks for checking out this video.
So how'd you get to be
Take good
so
care.
down?
See you soon.